Welcome to section 8 HDFS admin commands. We'll look into some of the Hadoop distributed files admin commands, especially Hadoop FSCK and Hadoop DFS admin commands. So, first we'll go through Hadoop DFS admin. So, some so it's a master slave box. We have a slave box here, and again let's check the name node is running or not. So name node, data node, task tracker and job trackers are running on slave node, on master slave node, and on slave node task tracker is running and a data node is running. Okay, let's look into Hadoop DFS admin command. Oops, DFS, it's ADMIN admin. Okay, so we have so many options here. Like we have several handle for a DFS admin subcommand. It's a hyphen report which gives you the entire HDFS report and safe mode. You can put the HDFS into safe mode. Safe mode means whenever HDFS is in safe mode, you can only read the files and directories, but you can't do any write operations or any delete operations on the HDFS. Save namespace flushes out current in-memory edit logs to create a new FS image, and a new edit logs is formed in memory. Refresh nodes. So whenever you include or exclude uh, a data node in dfs.include or dfs.exclude, if you refresh using this refresh nodes subcommand, uh, those uh, those entries will be reflected. Finalize upgrade is used during the upgrade of your cluster from one version to version 2. Uh, when you upgrade from version 1 to version 2, so you always have the option of going back to the previous version. So when you do a finalize upgrade, then you don't have an option from going back to the previous version, because it deletes all the metadata information of a name node and a data node which is kept as a backup during the upgrade. Okay, so complete I will give you the complete uh, upgrade procedure and what it does in a separate note. And upgrade progress, you can check the status of a name node upgrade. It says upgrading like this. So I will give you the complete steps. Don't worry about these commands. So complete steps, like what you need to do while upgrading, like upgrading the packages. You need to shut down the name nodes or data nodes. The complete step by step procedures I will give in a separate note. So meta save um, dumps your under replicated blocks, that is blocks to be replicated and blocks to be deleted. So it dumps in a file under your HDFS logs directory. We'll look into it. So refresh ACLs, set quota, clear the quota. These are it's like your normal file system quotas. Like you can set a quota on on number of files and directories, and space quotas, like a particular directory can be used for only 1 GB to store, or 2 GBs to store. Behind that you can store any of data in that particular directory. And you can set the balancer bandwidth. So let's look into one by one. Okay, Hadoop. DFS admin hyphen report, and any DFS admin commands you better run using HDFS. Okay, so this was the command we ran, hyphen report. So what it gives? It gives the configured capacity of a HDFS, so present capacity, and DFS remaining 26 is the DFS remaining. So 26 we have used, DFS percentage used, and under replicated blocks 36, and data nodes available. This is one section, and this is another section. So data node available, name means the IP address, and decommission status, it's normal, means it's available for operation. So configured capacity in that data node, so 1575 GB of capacity is available. So all these things, DFS remaining, DFS used. See, this is the second data node. It is same as the above one. Okay. So if you look into this, the name, the data node 1 and the data node 2, the blocks are evenly distributed. So DFS used 1.79, 1.78. Okay, so the blocks, right, and those are evenly distributed. It's not like data node has 8 GB of DFS used, and the second data node has 1 GB of DFS used. So it's evenly distributed. The second is safe mode. As I said, run the command using HDFS. Sudo -u HDFS Hadoop DFS admin hyphen safe mode. So it has options like enter. Okay, so before doing this, let me create one directory, Hadoop DFS hyphen mkdir hyphen test underscore safe something. So now I created it. Okay, it got successfully created. Let's do it. You after a name node is in safe mode, or your HDFS is in safe mode. Safe mode, enter. So it says safe mode is on. Now let's try creating another directory. Okay, safe mode 2. So you can check the exception here. So mkdir is the command. So cannot create, safe mode exception, cannot create /test2 file. Name node is in safe mode. Okay, and same namespace, as I said, the name node, the in-memory edit logs of a name node is flushed to a new FS image. Okay, so let's go to our FS image directory, data/d1. So please check the host name. Your host name should be master slave, where the name node resides. Hadoop data, Hadoop HDFS, cd DFS, cd name current. So this is the directory. Okay, so let's check the FS image timestamp here. Okay, so FS image timestamp was on April 2023 59. Okay, let's do a save namespace. Sudo -u HDFS Hadoop DFS admin. Okay, so let me take out the name node out of safe mode. Previously we kept it in safe mode, right? So let me check. Let me do it. Safe mode, leave. Okay, now run your DFS admin save namespace. Save name save namespace space. Okay. Oops, somewhere it went wrong. Yeah, it should be hyphen here. See what it says. Namespace IO exception. Safe mode should be turned on in order to create a new FS image. What does that mean? So save namespace, what as I said, what it does is it flushes the in-memory content of edit logs to a new FS image. So while clearing out the in-memory edits log, so no IO write or delete operation should not happen on a HDFS because it causes inconsistency. So in order to overcome that, we need to put name node into safe mode. Let's put the name node into safe mode. Before running a save namespace, you should enter the name node into safe mode, that is read only mode. So safe mode is on now. So now enter your save namespace. See, it ran successfully this time. Okay, so if you look, let's wait for some time. Now if you see here, so the new timestamp is updated. It means a new FS image is created. So FS image, so timestamp is 24th 4th 26 and April 26th. So 12 12 and 12 11, last 1 minute it got updated. So the new FS image is created, and if you look, the size of a edits log came down to 4. So previously it was 87. So new edits is formed in memory. Okay, and let's come out of this directory. Let's look into another command, DFS admin. So namespace. So refresh nodes, just include any of the data node into mapred dfs.include, so it will get reflected. So just refresh it, and to finalize upgrade, I said I will give you the complete step. So meta save, let's look into it. Hadoop, so sudo -u HDFS Hadoop DFS admin meta save. Give the file name as dump. Okay, so it says created a file dump on server. So it will be actually in user lib Hadoop in your log directory of Hadoop. Logs, this hyphen LTRI. So here is a dump. So if you look into it, see, it gives you, one second. So yeah, cat dump I have done here. So it gives you the number of blocks which are waiting for the replication, and the number of blocks or the name of the blocks. Here the name is there, right? And the name of the blocks which are supposed to be deleted. So these are the files, and this is a block which needs to be replicated. Okay, these blocks are waiting for replication. And see, number of data nodes, here blocks waiting for deletion. So metasave, it gives you number of blocks or the block details which are waiting for replication and deletion. That's it.